Hey there and welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. We just received this 2025 Yamaha Boats 195S for stock. See, it's in the beautiful mist gray color, and we have done it with the galvanized trailer upgrade. The 195S is the top of the line model in the 19-foot range from Yamaha, so you're gonna have all of the amenities available in this range. Follow me over here. A couple new changes for 2025. All Yamaha boats are gonna come with the receivers for their pedestals that can be installed after the fact. This boat's also gonna have a transom stereo remote unique to this model. You've got cup holders back here and really easy access to your boat. You've also got rear facing seating, which is really comfortable when you're out at the sandbar or just hanging out. Follow me inside the boat. We've got a nice central walk through here. You can step over. We've got seats for 3 across the back. You can fit 1 up here. This is an 8-person capacity on this boat. Come further aboard, I'll show you the 1.8 liter SVHO engine this boat is equipped with. It's a supercharged engine. This thing is a rocket. It's a ton of fun to drive, and you've got really easy access in here for maintenance and things like that. These cushions are also removable, so you can keep this clean when you're walking in and out of the boat. Like I mentioned, this one's got the snap-in flooring, so easily removable, very easy to clean as well. With this being a 195S, you're gonna have captain's chairs both port and starboard, both swivel and slide. Also got a central ski locker here where you can store some items that are a little bit bulkier. Up here at the helm, this boat's gonna have a 7-inch Connect screen, as well as a spot for your phone and a really nice stereo head unit there as well. Your steering wheel is on a tilt base, so you can customize it to your liking. And you've got great access to some of your manual switching as well. This being the top of the line boat, it also has a water sports tower, powder coated in white, that you can see with the bimini. Up here at the bow, you've got room for a couple more adults. You've got cup holders and speakers up here as well. And then under this front cushion, you've got a dedicated storage space for your anchor. It's a great boat, packs an awesome punch, and it's a great value. If you want to check this one out, stop by our showroom, give us a call, or check us out at MarineMax.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.